G2E welcomes you to our next lesson in transitional words and phrases after all. As we know, connectors or transitional words are an important part of conveying what we want to say. And indeed, if you are taking a test of English language skills like IELTS, PT or TOEFL, you will be graded on your use of connectives as well as other parameters. Hi, I am archanakalele from Good to Excellence. We are your online partner for IELTS, PT, TOEFL and English communication training. Now let's look at how to use after all, its meaning, uses and grammar. Check this example. The Brown family is coming after all. What does this sentence convey to us? It means the family Brown was probably not coming, but the plan changed. So, after all, conveys that something happened despite a difficulty. It conveys a changed situation. We may link after all as after all or despite. We always use after all at the end of the sentence when we talk about a changed situation. Now, look at this sentence. It is natural for you to support Mona. After all, she is your sister. In this example, a statement has been made. The second sentence supports the first by adding information or explaining. We may think of after all as because or ultimately or don't forget that. These two examples are essentially the two uses of after all. First one, to state something has changed, an opinion or situation. We are going to Nainital after all. Maybe he isn't what he seems after all. Then in the second situation, to support something that has just been said. I think we should have the fete here. After all, this field is in the center of the town. You should be happy with what you do. After all, money isn't everything. Note, we may use after all at the beginning or end of the sentence. When we use it as an explanation, we should be happy with what you do. Money isn't everything after all. This sentence we used earlier. Now let's check grammar and punctuation. After all is an adverbial phrase and is used and punctuated like all conjunctive adverbs. First one, at the start of second sentence, connected to the first, use a comma after it. Check the example. I think you should participate. After all, give a comma. After all, you love dancing. Second one, separated by a semicolon when both clauses are independent and closely linked. Check the example. Treat him well. Semicolon. After all, comma, he is your brother. Next example or the next use. Appears at the end of a sentence, not separated by comma when we use it for a changed outcome. The program was a success after all. Oh, you are joining us after all. So there is no comma in this sentence to join the phrase after all. Next one. We may use after all in the middle of sentence, enclosed in commas, when it is parenthetical. Now, parenthesis is brackets. When something is parenthetical in a sentence, it means that it is bracketed, that is non-essential or extra in the sentence. For example, he was very happy. It was, after all, more than he expected. Now remove after all and check the sentence. It was more than he expected. The sentence meaning does not change, but after all adds some flavor to the meaning. So this is what the use of after all is and the grammar too. Now let's check the summary. Something we didn't think would happen ultimately takes place. So you passed the exam after all. You were quite sure you would fail. We use after all at the end of a sentence in such a case. Next one, supporting a previous sentence or clause to mean ultimately, because, or don't forget that. Example, I knew she would win. After all, she is the best speaker of her class. At the beginning of a sentence, after all is followed by a comma. After all, the internet has made us reconnect with people we had lost touch with. We use after all at the end when we expect something not to happen and when it does happen. We are going to France after all. We can use a semicolon to separate two independent clauses, the second one with after all. Don't get so upset. Semicolon. After all, comma, it's only a game. We enclose after all in commas when it is non-essential to the sentence. You are the only one who can help me. You are, after all, the one with the contacts. A final note before we end. When after all is followed by a noun, pronoun, noun phrase, it becomes a prepositional phrase. For example, I didn't expect this of you after all the time we spent together. So, I hope you have understood the two main instances where we use after all and its use as a preposition. Use this often. After all, practice makes perfect. And here is a small exercise to test your skills. So, pause the video and take the quiz. That wasn't difficult after all, was it? I do hope you enjoyed this video. Tell your friends about us. Give a thumbs up, share our video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon to get notified. And of course, practice, practice and practice. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.